All right. You see, many times, cameraman, come forward because many people used to say you don't show what we say. Uh-huh. Many times I use this my small adorable car to do all the tutorials, how to drive, tips and tricks. Many people used to ask me, what is the difference between V6 and V8? This car is 4 plugs. Yes, 4 plugs. And when we talk about V6, V8, and whatever it is all about the plugs. And the plugs is all about the cylinder. Yes, it's all about the cylinder. Good. Okay, when we talk about cylinders, the cylinders are the plugs. The plugs. The car has a plug. So we have some of the Daewoo Matis and that small cars like this one that have only 3 plugs. That has only 3 plugs. This one has 4 plugs. And if a plug is not functioning, the 3 can work but not very well as the 4 is working at the same time. That is number one. V6 and V8, the difference are only the plugs. V6 has 6 plugs. V6 has 6 plugs and V8 has 8 plugs. So it has 8 cylinder, 6 cylinder, 4 cylinder, and we have 3 cylinder. If your if your car has only 3 plugs, 3 cylinder. If it has 4 plugs, 4 cylinder. If it has 6 plugs, 6 cylinder. But not all the 6 cylinders are V because some has the turbo charger and the stuff. You understand that helps you to move. But most, about 99%, depends on the cylinder. You understand? It depends on the cylinder. So the V8 has 8 cylinder, that is 8 plugs. The V6 has 6 cylinder, so that is 6 plugs. See, you will see most of these Toyota Hiace on our road. Most of them are V6. Yes, V6, and some are V8. Yes, some are V8. They run. So at the latter part of the video, I will let you know that the more your horsepower, the more your speed. Please don't get me wrong. You may have a V6 with a charger. That one will run like a V8. Thank you. And the 4 cylinders are many. Yeah, that Toyota RAV4 and those are 4 cylinders. But some may have turbo charger, turbo engine. 4 cylinder, all right, but may have charger on it. And that one will run faster, more than, cameraman, come forward a bit. That one will run more than how the other one may perform. So V6 has 6 plugs, 6 cylinder. V8 has 8 plugs, that is 8 cylinder. You understand? 8 cylinder. And the more your cylinder, the more your horsepower. The more the horsepower, the more the speed. Simple as ABC. How to drive, tips and tricks. Thank you.
A busy TV.
A busy TV. Unia, kona kohede koso videos. Then I koso kuba say a busy TV. Unia kona kohede. Check it out on YouTube and trust me, you'll be glad you did. Then if you have granted. Now what's a day? A busy TV. Number 1.
A busy TV. Yeah, number 1.